Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Serena In, and I'm the head of Department of Psychology in the School of Medicine at IMU.
Hi, and I'm Mr. Alexius Cheang, and I'm a lecturer at the Department of Psychology, School of Medicine, IMU. So, what is psychology? Well, it is the systematic and scientific study of human behavior as well as thought processes.
And we're here today to introduce our program of the Bachelor of Science in Psychology with honors at IMU. Our program is a 3-year homegrown program, and we have 2 intakes every year in February and September.
We have 2 partner universities, one in the United Kingdom as well as one in Australia. In the United Kingdom, we have the University of Strathclyde in Glasgow, Scotland, and in Australia, we have the University of Newcastle.
So now you must be wondering, why study psychology at IMU? Very simple, 3 great reasons. Firstly, at IMU, we have an excellent healthcare professional network full of experts from different fields in the healthcare industry, like dentists, medical doctors, pharmacists, dietitians and nutritionists, and psychologists, counselors, you name it, we have the whole team. And so students studying in psychology in our university will get exposure and networking with these wide group of people, and they really get such an enriching learning experience.
In addition, the degree that you earn is a straight pathway towards earning a postgraduate degree in multiple fields. So, as you may be aware in psychology, there are multiple specializations, in fact, over 50 specializations. And so, students use our IMU degree as a stepping stone towards further specialization, both locally as well as internationally.
And not only that, how many students can actually claim that their lecturers know them by name? So our team of educators are so passionate and committed to their work. We journey closely with all our students that every student really gets that personalized, tailor-made attention where they are guided through their whole journey, and they really learn so much from the experts themselves, and they get guidance in every area that they need to make sure that they're on the pathway to a very successful career. So we're really proud of that.
So, in terms of our faculty's expertise to support the students, over 75% of us are doctorate holders, and collectively, we have more than 50 years of teaching and industry experience behind us. All of us are actively involved in community engagement and research, and we bring our students along to participate in these opportunities. In addition, our areas of specialties are in clinical psychology, counseling, developmental psychology, industrial organizational psychology, as well as in the field of education. So you're going to have a wide experience from your lecturers in the multidisciplinary perspective when you come to IMU.
And here we have our Psychology and Counseling Learning Center, where we are proud to introduce our students to the actual practice of psychology and counseling in the field. So there are rooms and facilities available for students to actually see simulated patients to apply some of the skills that they learn in the course. And this is where a lot of the real learning takes place outside of just the lecture halls.
So that was all the information about our program. Now let's turn to some frequently asked questions that you may have. For example, what makes this program stand out? Well, in IMU, as mentioned by Dr. Serena before, we are working with a multidisciplinary team. So all of it is focused on health. And in addition to that, all of us also focus on the most updated evidence-based practice, the best kinds of practice out there, most updated in order to have the proper skills training, in order to incorporate and we teach that to the students. We emphasize a lot on communication skills as well, as we actually also participate in something called interdisciplinary culture and learning aspects, where we learn together to work on common cases with other programs. And lastly, we also have many collaborations with other international universities so that we can share research opportunities as well as lectures and even student exchanges opportunities there.
So another common question we always get is, what is the difference between a psychologist and a psychiatrist? Firstly, the similarity is these two professions deal largely with the population of people having mental health challenges and illnesses. However, the clear distinction is for psychologists who are typically specialized in clinical psychology, they are trained to do assessments and psychological interventions using non-medication approaches, so mostly psychological based approaches. However, psychiatrists who are medical doctors first do a subspecialization in psychiatry, and their main treatment approach to deal with patients with mental illnesses is using medication. So in our program, students who are passionate about working with people with mental health challenges would then further on a subspecialization in clinical psychology upon graduation from the psychology program.
In addition to that, many questions we get are in regards to the kinds of careers that can be undertaken. So our graduates typically go into the fields of early childhood education as well as various enrichment learning centers. About half, though, tend to go into human resources management, and the balance tends to get into the fields of journalism, consultancy, business, marketing, public relations, and even in training. As you can see, the field is very, very wide, and many job opportunities are available for our graduates. So anything to do with human relations and understanding human behavior, this is the field for you.
And that's it. We have just introduced our program in a few minutes for you. If you'd like to find out more information, please log on to our website, www.imu.edu.my. And we really hope to see you soon. Thank you.